Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
BBC News Business.
December 12, 11:16 America New York, train strikes. RMT members reject latest network rail pay offer. Train strikes will resume on Tuesday and passengers are advised to travel only if absolutely necessary.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
December 12, 10:35 America New York, did Iran really execute Mohsen Shekari? The title of a Financial Times story looks nakedly clear. Iran executes 23-year-old protester, December 8, 2022. It was referring to Mohsen Shekari, condemned and hanged for allegedly wounding a Praetorian and fighting with God during recent protests.
New York Times Business.
December 12, 10:23 America New York, Wall Street Journal names a new editor. News Corp said that Emma Tucker, a longtime editor in London, would replace Matthew Murray, who has led the news organization for 4 years.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 12, 10:04 America New York, Ticketmaster apologizes again, this time for Bad Bunny ticket fiasco. At least hundreds of fans were turned away from Bad Bunny's Mexico City show on Friday because security officers thought their tickets were fake.
Daily FX Market News.
December 12, 10 o'clock America New York, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones outlook. Equities cautious ahead of US CPI. U.S. equity futures are struggling to break their narrow range as investors await key economic data that could drive volatility throughout the week. S&P 500, Nasdaq and Dow stall.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 12, 9 o'clock America New York, PG&E needs to find billions of dollars for wildfire prevention. The utility company that provides electricity and natural gas to about 16 million Northern Californians is limited in its ability to raise debt and equity.
BBC News Business.
December 12, 8:39 America New York. Ministers to hold emergency COBRA meeting amid wave of strikes. The government will discuss contingency plans, including using the military to cover border staff.
Global economy.
December 12, 8:28 America New York, investors prepare for slowing global interest rate rises. Signs of cooling inflation shifts focus as Fed, ECB and BOE prepare for further increases.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 12, 8:01 America New York, Carlos Ghosn's escape planner says he would do it again. One of the two Americans who helped Carlos Ghosn flee Japan hidden inside a musical equipment box said he had no regrets. Daily FX Market News.
December 12, 7:36 America New York, USD, JPY range-bound with US data likely to provide near-term direction. USD, JPY continues to struggle for any clear direction. US CPI data due tomorrow is likely to provide some guidance ahead of the FOMC on Wednesday. Global economy.
December 12, 7:36 America New York, ECB warns of higher loan losses and funding squeeze for Eurozone banks. Regulator plans more frequent inspections of bank offices and will carry out targeted reviews.
Global economy.
December 12, 7:31 America New York, WTO judgment no one wanted to happen. U.S. has forced a dispute panel ruling over national security it will now disturbingly ignore.
New York Times Business.
December 12, 6:01 America New York, it doesn't hurt at all, in China's new COVID strategy, vaccines matter. As the government drops its restrictions, it not only needs to convince people that the virus is nothing to fear, but also that inoculations are essential. A patient receiving an inhaled COVID-19 vaccine at a hospital in Nanchang, China, last week.
New York Times Business.
December 12, 5 o'clock America New York, taking to the woods with Maine's tree tippers. Generations of Mainers have made a living working seasonal, nature-based jobs. Harvesting the balsam used to make wreaths is one of them.
Daily FX Market News.
December 12, 4:30 America New York, gold price outlook. All eyes on the Federal Reserve for guidance. The precious metal, along with a host of other financial markets, is trapped in a range ahead of the eagerly awaited U.S. Federal Reserve rate decision.
BBC News Business.
December 12, 2:47 America New York, Korea says crypto fugitive Do Kwon is in Serbia. Mr. Kwon was charged with fraud and breaches of capital markets law after the implosion of the token.
Marginal revolution.
December 12, 2:34 America, New York. The narrowing gap between human and animal intelligence. Resulting from recent AI advances, how should our perceptions change? From the comments. Michael, why does it narrow the gap between human and animal intelligence?
Digital finance.
December 12, 2:31 America, New York. Southeast Asia's secret sauce, digital entrepreneurs. Bain and Monks Hill Ventures say tech-enabled disruptors will sustain Asian growth amid global turbulence. The post-Southeast Asia's secret sauce, digital entrepreneurs appeared first on digital finance.
Marginal revolution.
December 12, 022 America, New York. Crack Up Capitalism. That is the new book by Quinn Slobodian. Slobodian is very smart, and knows a lot, but I don't know. I fear he is continuing to move in the Nancy MacLean direction with this work.